Italy mawe nuzua. Italy mawe negbowe abalowe. Italy ogi nanji. Italy ewe joko komo. Ewe nwala. Uwe tiri ewe ayu oto. Uwe tiri ijwe la den wigwe. Ewe nwala. Ayakbokbowe. Awe ebe wa huwele. Umana le way no sense. Yes, way. You understand? Listen to the video and stop calling country Italy. Be specific. Tieni your money. Capito? Contact Vicky Menga Organic Skincare. Just here and recording. Okay. It's still your girl, your baby girl. Thank you for tuning in again. Thank you for tuning in. It's your Bianca Bellezza girls. Good day, everybody. Thank you for coming. Welcome back to my channel, Bianca Bellezza Girls TV. I really do appreciate this very thing. I really want to do it because I have it inside of me, and it's just things that have been going on years, even now. Oh, guys, look at this makeup. The video will be coming up. Okay, the video of this highlighter, everything where I get it from is a Fenty Beauty though. So that is just it. Thank you for tuning in again. Don't forget to look other videos like makeup, unboxing, hair review, any kind of foundation you need, like you just want to know if that foundation is okay. Check down my channel, perfume, any kind of thing concerning beauty, lifestyle, my life experience, my mental health, my marriage experience, everything. That is just it. Okay, just check down the channel. Thank you for tuning in again. This very thing that I have is just some people that, you know, continuously insulting people like that live in Italy. The way they are saying it look as if Italy is a place that is for the poor people. Italy is a place that you don't even dream to be. Italy is a place made for only for prostitutes. No. Is somebody that started all these things, the whole thing. I believe it's someone that started it, like somebody that started it by bringing girls to this country and send them to the streets to do those kind of work. It's somebody that started it. But at the same time, I'll be using also Edo and Pidgin English in this video. Sorry guys, but it's fine. You know why? Because there are some things I'll be throwing inside. Okay? So, according to, we would normally call Italy Ewujo Kokomo. It's a mother's land. Italy is a mother's land. A place whereby you will come, they will give you shelter. A place whereby you will come, they will care for you. Once you are in this country, they care for you as far you go out there to ask for help. They will care for you. They will care for you. They will care for you. They will support you. There are many single moms here who they never ever contribute to the country, but they are eating, feeding their family, plotting themselves out of it. There are many people who have houses. When I say houses, before they relocate to the UK, they made everything in this very land called Italy. Country called Italy is a beautiful place. It's a place everybody wants to be. Those people insulting Italy, in case Italy did not work for you, my sister, stay the place that work for you. Go to the place that will work for you. Many people leave this country because they didn't find job. Okay, I understand. To get a job here is not easy. It's not easy. You need to know how to speak the language very well, and you also need to have that character. When I say that character, you need to be patient. Because without patience, it's not easy with them. I understand. But some of these people that also live is because of the language. Like, I want my kids to be speaking good English. I want my kids to grow up in a community whereby they can express themselves, they can work, they can achieve their dream. Maybe they want to become a doctor and everything. But yeah, in Italy, you can still achieve it. Depends of where you live, one depends of your education and all that. Last time I went to the hospital just for a visit, to visit my gynecologist. At the same time, when I visit my gynecologist, hey guys, it was a black African lady. When I say black, I think she's a Nigerian. Even her name alone, I think it was a Alice also. I was like, oh, this is a Nigerian lady. In fact, I don't know how old is she, but I think she's a lady. A Nigerian black lady, study hard. Today I went to collect my certificate as Mendia. I went to collect my certificate because I need it for some purpose. 2021, I want to do something good, something sweet, something more good, that goodest in my life. Anyhow you get the English, anyhow I express myself, as fast you are getting it. You guys should stop insulting people that live in Italy or the country Italy. The problem most of us have is not the country Italy, but you that live inside of it. Many will come to this country, tell them to go to school, they will tell you, Escudejo. I know, Escudejo go fine, but at the same time, when you are looking for the money, make sure you respect your dignity when looking for the money so that you won't spoil the name. There are many of them. Whenever I'm like, they're like, where are you from? I'll just tell them, sono da Nigeria. Mi guardano, mi fa, davvero? Sì, sono una nigeriana. Cosa c'è? Mi dico, non sembra. Il modo che parli, il modo che fai, tutto mi sembra sudamericani. E così. I'm like, really? I don't know the way you guys approach them or talk to them or do things with them. When I go to the shop, buongiorno, posso avete qualcosa? Scusa, posso? Not, you see some, they will just go to the shop. The way they will excuse their face as if they are fighting with the person just because you are the one who holds the money that you are going to use to pay. No manners. You interact with them. And the way they will welcome you, you yourself, you are like, oh my Lord, oh my God, these people, I think they are my best friend. That is how it's supposed to be. Once you are in this country, try and go to school. When you can speak the language, you have driving license. You need driving license. Ask many people that need job. They will ask you, did you have bicycle? Can you drive? Did you have car? Did you have driving license? Are you independent? They will ask you. They need to know so that in case they need emergency or they need to send you to the other departments or other places, if you can drive down yourself. They need it. They want to know. So when you have driving license, you are looking for a job. It's so easy. So if this country, Italy, is not working for you the way you needed it or how, it's not the fault of the country, Italy, but it is your fault, darling. Did you work on yourself? Did you try to fix some things? Some people, once they leave the country, they'll just be insulting the country, Italy. Even so, they are not in this Italy, they'll be insulting. Will you mind your business and mind the country where you are? Leave Italy alone. Italy is a beautiful country. It's the country. I have many people that are graduates from Nigeria, but here they are working. Some they don't even have. They don't even have the opportunity like to work. What they studied about in Nigeria, but here they are working. They have place of work. They have it. Okay, if they are graduates, why did they leave their country? Why did they leave Nigeria? But they came to the country whereby they are not graduates. But thank God they are working. You need to work on yourself. When you are looking for a job, make sure you speak the language and have the driving license. If you don't have all these things, how can you find a job? Find them, may give it to you, your whole comfort zone. Fine. But at the same time, stop insulting Italy. All those people that are insulting Italy, stop it. Italy is a motherland. It's a place for everyone. They will cater for you. They will... There's nothing like Italy. You go out there, please, can I have something to eat? Can I have something to give to my children? They will give it to you. But go to Nigeria. You like, imagine, you as a full grown-up man, you will be asking another man to give you, or another woman to give you food to eat. They will ask you, are you okay? Even blind people or people that, the disabled people, how they call it, they are those special people. You see the way the people will be insulted then like, Aboki, get out, Aboki, get that, Aboki, go that side, Aboki, get that. But you that are fine, okay, cute, you are doing what they call shoroti. The people will have those pity mind. They will give it to you. And inside that money, you use it to feed your family and use it to help your people in Africa. And also use the same money to build houses. And once you leave, you come and insult Italy. It's like, stop it, guys. It's not nice. Whenever I'm saying things like that, I'm like, but it's not nice. It's not the country. It's you. If the country is not working for you, take your house and go. In case you leave, shut up and mind your business and work on yourself. Work on that country whereby you are living. Don't insult the country. If anything did not work for you, it's your own self. It's your own self. You can't live in Italy whereby you can speak Italy. You can speak very well. You went to school here. You have driving license. And the people, they can't give you a job. For meaning you need to kick coconut on your head. You know what that means? Like, they need to pray for you, do some sacrifice on your head. Because when you look for a job, you will surely get it. There are many people that have houses, open houses in this country called Italy. You living in Italy does not make you to be a prostitute. You choose to be. If you choose to be, one is your choice. But if you are doing it to feed your family because you don't have the opportunity of job, fine, I'm not judging anybody. But you see those set of people that just do it because they want to do it. They just want to build all the whole houses. It's your choice as well. But once you leave the country, make sure you shut up and not insult Italy, because they are not the one who sent you to the street. Some of you, they want to take you out of the country, but you refuse to go out of, they want to take you out of the road, but you refuse to go out of that road because you choose to do it. There are many people, the way they insult Italy. Stop it and take care of yourself. Not only take care of yourself, mind the country where you live. Educate people about the country you live, not other country. So people are like, oh, all these Italy people, they're always like this. They don't have food. Oh my God. The people you will visit they will buy food for you. They will put food on your luggage. They will put food on your head. They will put food on your hand. They will put food all around you to take home. Is Italy. I can't sing. If I go in a supermarket, capito. The only place where you will go, a little thing you can use it to do business. This place is a favored land, guys. Stop insulting the land. If the country they don't work for you, it's not the fault of the country, but it's your fault. That is why I advise some people, if you can go to school, just try it. Try. As long as you have the wisdom, knowledge, understanding, you have the capacity, or whatever they call it, or capability to study or to put this on your head. Go. Studia. Se non vuoi studiare, allora stai zitta. I'm tired of all these people insulting Italy. Italy have helped many countries, many people, in their own country, like the Nigerians. This Italy, this very country called Italy. There are many people in Nigeria that have helped their own family. This country have helped their family so well, so like. Let me not talk about the houses. Put food on their mothers, their family back home table. This country have helped. No matter what you are doing, you will surely find yourself. You will surely help one or two people at. Why the insult? It's not the country you guys know. Don't mention. Call a particular name. That is what I want to say on this video. Call a particular name, not Italy. Don't say Italy, no. Don't call Italy. No. I don't like it. You know why? Because here in this country, this place I become a mother, I become a wife, in fact, everything. I study, I have my own diploma. I have my driving license. I have my car. I have my children. I have my husband. I have brothers and sisters, friends and well-wishers, everything. I have it in this country house. I have it. There are many people that are living good. When I say good, in this very country called Italy, they are working. They are working. In case you didn't find a job, try, search, go to agents. But you see some people, the way they are insulting the country is not nice. It's not nice. Any country, some people leave. Once they leave, they just want to downgrade that country, insult that country. This country is responsible for their whatever, their misfortune, is responsible for their frustration. No, it's not the country. It's you. Because you choose to be. If you choose to work on yourself and try to make things to work, I believe you will not be frustrated. They give opportunity to everybody to study. Today I was like, okay, but I want to do something that I can be like. I need, or not this diploma, but I need something to call. Oh, this is what I study for or what I work hard for. They will like call next year. From February, you can call. That is what they told me. That is what they told me. Next year, I believe, if I have the opportunity, because baby Serena, she won't allow me. So guys, work on yourself. If Italy is not working for you, go to the country that will be working for you. Stop bringing the name Italy down. The name Italy is a great name. You understand? Mind the country you are. Educate people about the country. You see some single mother what they are doing. There are people that are working to take care of you. There are people that are working, breaking their houses. When I say houses, spaccano il culo per curarti, per avere tutte le cose che volete in questo paese. Ma quanto tasse paghi, cara? Quante tasse hai dato, figa? Quante tasse hai pagato? Quindi non dovete mai insultare il paese, si chiama Italia. Questo paese sono diventata la mamma, la moglie, tutto. Questo paese è il paese che lo adoro. Quando vedo le gente che insulta, voglio prenderti a schiacciarti il collo. Capisci? Se questo paese non è per te, va bene, vai via. Oppure se tu hai già battuto via il tuo culo, ragazza mia, fai cazzo tuoi. Lascia stare Italia, perché Italia non è fatto per le gente come voi. È fatto per le gente che sanno alzare la mattina, fare le cose per aiutare il governo, il Stato. Capisci? Okay, guys, I will leave this video now. Those people calling Italy, no. Call the specific name. If it's Bianca, say Bianca. Hey, Wani. No, some people, they don't even live, but because they once live in Italy, they'll be insulting everybody. Once you insult one Italian, meaning you are insulting all. Did you get that? Because you called country, not a particular person. Okay? Stop insulting this beautiful Ewijoma. They give you opportunity, but some people, they refuse the opportunity. They won't force you. They will ask you. They don't force anybody. Guys, let me end it here. Thank you for watching. It's your Bianca Bellezza girls. Those people insulting Italy. Most of you guys, you know. Italian wife, Italian mother, you guys are not better than them. Italian girls, if they follow you buy something, your belly go, they sweet you. They go even buy everything where they your shop. They don't come buy something, they can't say they don't see money to pay. No, Italian girls, you go, Italian no God. Italian ne kuna sotso. Italian the best clothes so far. Fashion, when it comes to fashion, when it comes to food, when it comes to love. They have it all. So stop insulting this beautiful Ewijoma Kokomo. Capito? Hai capito? Questo paese è un paese meraviglioso. Meraviglioso. Hai capito? Quindi vi lascio così. Try and work on the country where you live and leave other country alone. Even the people that want to leave it alone. You leave because you want your children. Okay, fine, go. You leave because you were not able to get the job or the document or whatever. But at the same time, just go and leave it alone. Io sono pronta per voi. Non dovete insultare l'Italia, perché questo paese è già aiutato tante donne a guarire. Hai scelto di distruggere, sì. Non è mica Italia, ma è stato te a distruggere te stessa e distruggi te. Guys, I will leave this video here. Thank you for watching. Thank you and bye.